All right, now we are going to learn something about snapping and locking. Let's insert one shape. I'll go to elements and just select one shape, make it attractive color and increase the size of it. Now, once you grasp the concept of snapping and locking, it will help you a lot in maintaining your design's alignments. If you have some complex design and you don't want the shape to move out from their position when you're working on some other elements, sometimes the objects or shapes slips down from its area. So you need to lock it that, especially if you have some complex designs, right? So let's say this shape, if I move it around, it will show you different positions on different points. That, for example, this is the center of this design, and this is the center from the bottom here as well, like on this. Now let's analyze what elements do you get in free versus premium version in Canva. So with the free version, you get a lot of elements and templates for free. But with premium, the options are much wider. If you can see, some of the templates, which are although professionally designed, is available to use for free. But some of them are in the pro version. As you can see here, it is marked. Now let's click on elements. Now let's click on more and click on photos. You can see that many of the professional photos are available in the free templates, but if we scroll down a bit, you will see that some of the photos are available just in the pro version. So if I, let's say, add this pro version icon, if I right click on it, you can use this one design for one time for $1. So that's not much for your project, but still it is available for the pro version. And if I click on it, so you will see the Canva watermark with it. To remove the watermark, you need to purchase this premium image. And even if you insert this premium image and let's say you want to continue with the watermark, Still, whenever you want to download this, you will see this, for example, JPG. And again, if you want to insert some shapes, let's go to shapes in the elements. So again, lots and lots of shapes are available for free, but some of them are marked as premium. For example, this one, you can remove the watermark for $2 in this image. Or let's check this one only. Yeah, for $1 for this one as well. So these are some of the difference between free and premium images, although you will get most of them for free. But still, if you want to download some more professional shapes and elements or images, you need to purchase that image or that particular shape for $1 each. Now, sometimes there are some conditions involved with the free templates as well. For example, some of the elements in this image might be of the pro version and some of them might be free. So for example, if I click on it and if I add it here, all of these images are free, but sometimes it is the case that the design is free, but the image is not. So in that case, you can replace the image with your own and make your custom design. So you can just simply use the template and ignore the image that is of the premium version. Simply replace that with your own image and you have your custom design ready. So for example, if you are a professional giving services of designing to your client, so most of the time they will pay you extra for that premium images if you are using that, but most of the elements and shapes are free in Canva. So oftentimes you will get all the elements for free, but if you need some premium elements for a client, the client will pay for it. And even if you are buying that premium element, that's still a good deal since you're making professional designs as your service. So that's it. This is the difference between free and premium elements in Canva and how to identify that.